Good day, fan. Welcome to Keland Ways. I'm Kehinde Fagbemi. Today I'm going to teach you how to make waterfall jackets. It's just a few minutes. We are going to round it up. So let's get started. We are going to use ruler, chalk, tailor chalk, ruler, scissors, then the fabric. I'm going to use one yard of fabric, which I fold into two this way. So to get started, we are going to get the full measurement of the jacket. I'm making short jacket, that is I'm using 1 yard. 1 yard of the fabric is okay. So we are going to get the full length plus this, because we are going to whip it, so we are not sewing. So I'm going to use 35.5 to get the full length. To get the flap, the length flap, the folding parts in the neck, we are going to use 8 inches. That is the standard measurement. You can increase it as much as you want it to fold. So you take the mark, then from that 8 inches, we'll take 8 inches, because the shoulder measurement I'm working with is 8 inches. It's 16, then divided by 2, that is 8 inches. From that inches and the flap side, we're going to connect the two together. Make a straight line. From that 8 inches of the shoulder measurement, we are going to go down to get the armhole. It's advisable, if the armhole is 8, we'll use 7, because by the time they whip it in, it's going to be wider. So I'm going to use 7 because the armhole is meant to be 8. So I'll connect the two, both 8 of the shoulder measurement and the 8 of the armhole, the 7 of the armhole, I mean. So we'll connect it by making a circle. It depends how wide you want it to be. So we'll connect it together. Then connect the other side too. So that's, we've gotten the armhole. So to cut it out, we are going to fold the fabric into 2 again. That will be 4. You fold it to get this line. So fold it this way. So we fold it on the line that we connected, the shoulder line and the armhole line. Then we fold it. So make the straight line. Then we'll cut the circle that we've created. I'm done cutting it. That is how you get the armhole. By the time they whip it for you, it's going to get wider to size the hand. So the waterfall jacket is ready. So I'm going to show you how to put it on. Need to wear it on this my dress. So this is how it's going to be. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you learned 1 or 2 things. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking and commenting. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Keland Ways, and on YouTube channel at Keland Ways, and on Facebook at Keland Beats and Clothing. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.